calcium chloride with silver triazonitrate 5. This is calcium triazonitrate 5 and silver chloride. Let me educate you more. Silver triazonitrate 5 is used in precipitating a chlorine ion rather. AgNO3 is used in precipitating. So this is a soluble salt. This is a soluble salt. This is a soluble salt. Any salt that contains NO3 is a soluble salt, please. So this is an insoluble salt. So this is a precipitate. So when silver triazonitrate 5 reacts with a substance that has chlorine, it will produce an insoluble salt. It will give you a precipitate. The same thing is done by lead-2 triazonitrate 5. Look at it. Lead-2 triazonitrate 5. Also lead-2 ethernate. This also does it. So these will all precipitate chloride ion, alternative to practical or practical chemistry. Something like this. So use any of these three to precipitate chloride ion. Like lead-2 chloride. This is an insoluble salt. So, but this is not what we are. So let's balance this equation. So now you look at this is correct. Why is this the formula? Each of these. Now look at this. Calcium is 2, chlorine is 1. So that's why CaCl2. 2 here, 1 here. So the 2 has to come here. Now this one is correct. Silver Ag is 1. NO3 radical is 1. 1 cancels 1. That is first thing you check. Calcium is 2. NO3 is 1. So that is why I want to put this in brackets. So if you have something like this, then this 3 this is 1. So you have to write it like this. This 3 comes here because it's a radical. Put it in bracket. But this is not what we are talking about. All right. So now, 2 comes. The formula is the first thing you do in balancing of chemical equations to ensure that the formula, each of the compounds written is correct rather. So now look at it. So silver is 1, chlorine is 1. So it's balanced, like it's correct like this. But let's do atom counting. Calcium is 1 here, is 1. Yes, calcium does not have problem. Calcium is solved. Chlorine is 2 here. How many is it here? 1. So now you cannot write 2 here. If you write 2 here, it is wrong. The only place you can write 2 is at the back. That is this only place you can write 2. So these 2 has affected silver, Ag. You put 2 because of chlorine. Silver is now 2. So you can come to where you have silver. You cannot write 2 here. It is wrong. The only place, after making sure that the compounds are correctly written, the only place you can add number is at the back. So 2 silver as well. Now let's do it again. Calcium 1. Calcium 1. Chlorine 2. 2 chlorine. Now come to here. 2 silver. 2 silver. You see that by adding these 2, it has balanced even nitrogen. 2 nitrogen. 2 nitrogen. 3 times 2, 6 oxygen. 3 times 2, 6 oxygen. So this is balanced. Hope you can see that. So what I want you to do is to try this. Balance a chemical equation between, you can still put it in the comment section. Sodium tetraoxosulfate 6 plus barium chloride. I don't want to write the formula of the compounds. So normally barium chloride is used in precipitating tetraoxosulfate 6 ion. Barium chloride, you use this thing to precipitate SO42. So write this plus this, reactant plus product. So what you have to just write the products you have here and balance it. If you're able to, you can put it in the comment section. Let's see the first person to get it. Mr. Primus, thank you.